Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Aulia Rizkiana from 9i. In this video I am going to show you how to make my favorite drink. It's called iced jelly soda. This recipe is very simple, quick and easy to make. In this activity we need ingredients. They are some fruit flavored jellies, a sparkling water, some ice cubes, a Yakult, some mint leaves. The tools are a glass and a spoon. After all the ingredients and tools are ready, let's start to make it. The first step is put some jellies into the glass. You can put as much as you want. Second, put some ice cubes into the glass. Third, pour a cup of sparkling water into the glass. And finally, pour a Yakult into the glass. For a little garnish, let's put some mint leaves on top of it. It's optional. Well guys, I think that's all with my video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.